Alright, so this is my little Anglo-Saxon Viking stump anvil I made. This is the hammer to go with it, and I'm going to forge probably a small belt knife type thing just to try it out. I'm used to swinging a much larger hammer than this thing that's maybe 12 ounces or something. But I'm going to see how this works. Here we go. Tell you right now, the metal does not move nearly as well. I'm going to heat that up and switch tongs. See if I can grab this a little better. So most of the forging I normally do is with a 3-pound hammer on a bigger anvil. So yeah, this is something already. It's not real stable either because it's just drove into a piece of firewood. Let's give it another try. I'm also having to be way more careful with my strikes because that is a tiny, tiny anvil. Wow. I mean, it's working, but man, that is different. And it's not real level, so that might hurt things a little. Another thing I'm already seeing is with the head, the anvil being so small, as I'm hitting it in one place, it's deforming off the side of the anvil. So I'm really going to have to concentrate on doing cleanup work on those off step downs that are unintentional, but that's the way it goes. Try twisting this a little bit and see if I can get it to set a little more solid. Still in frame, still good. With a normal hammer and anvil, I'd already have the point in this knife. This definitely changes how things work a lot. No coffee, root beer. Yeah, face still looks good. I think I'm going to have to keep this one really hot because it is just, with no mass behind the blows really, it is going to make moving metal way more difficult. And I normally keep it hot anyway, but and the puppies are here, as always. Almost got the tip. That and straightening is going to be a trick. Alright, there's the point chiseled in, or forged in there. I'm going to flip it around and do the tang before I do the bevels. See how that goes. But I'm pretty happy so far. It works. I mean, that's all I can really say about it. It's tiny, tiny, tiny. But no marks yet, so that's good. It's really hard to miss your material and hit the anvil, because if you miss the material, you're probably going to hit the stump. So I guess that's a bonus. I've been excited for 2 days to try these, so it was really hard to stay at work today and not come home and do this. But yeah, I'm getting to do it now, and I'm really proud because this is my first thing that I've made with a drifted eye. I forged out the drift to fit standard claw hammer handles because I really suck at making making handles. But it's got a straight peen and a flat face, so we'll see if I can make anything. What I'm really excited to try, and I'm looking forward to, is hammering in the bevels. I think that's going to be incredibly interesting. That's okay though. I'm going to say it a lot. It is such a different experience doing it this way. It's there's a reason our anvils and hammers are bigger now. But it's working. I'm really proud of that. That's making me really happy. It felt loose there for a second, but it's good. I don't know what it felt weird. Something felt weird for a second. One of my dogs found a big piece of firewood I used to drive this in. Now it's a chew toy. think I may have cut the metal off a little shorter than I should have, but it's going to be a hidden tang anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I just wish I'd have left a little more material. Simmy. There's Simmy. Right, skip. Now the people have got to see the dog. Everyone's happy. Getting there. Slowly but surely, we're 18 minutes in. Probably not going to make any money if I'm trying to produce knives on this setup. I think the hardest part is going to be the getting everything flat and square is going to be the hardest part of this. Yeah, that'll probably be enough handle. See if I can take a few of the marks out of it and straighten it out some. I'm going to do one more heat on the handle and then start on the bevels. With my hand-forged Anglo-Saxon Viking tiny hammer. Really proud of this hammer if y'all haven't noticed. Really proud of it. Oh, it's the stump wiggling is what's making it feel weird. I'm going to call that good. And flip her around. It's a little off, but I can fix it. It's just, this is going to be the challenging part, is getting the bevels in and keeping the knife sort of straight. Picking up a little heat. Not bad yet. All right, let's start on the bevels. gonna take a while. Oh, man. I mean, it feels pretty good hitting the bevels on it, but just without any mass behind it, it's a job. And I'm really afraid to swing much harder because I'll miss. But the shape of the hammer seems to be working out pretty good. It feels pretty good in the hand. So, bonus. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Really don't know how I'm going to straighten it, because putting the bevel in it, you know, puts the curve in the knife. Really not sure how I'm going to fight that, because I'm used to having a larger workspace that I can flatten it out on. Can't do that here so much. I'll figure it out though. That worked out pretty good. The bevels are going pretty smooth. Slow, but smooth, so that's a win, I guess. Hope I'm being entertaining. Probably not, but oh well. Nice. Starting to get a little bit of a cheese knife profile going on. I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. Get a little heat in it. 28 minutes. I'm gonna try to get this all the way done in one video. Not bad, not bad at all. Don't think I'm going to get exactly the knife I was after. The tang's off center on it, and I might have a little bit of belly in my blade, but oh well. Learning experience. Try to take some of the flatten it out a little bit. Kids, getting a knife flat on this tiny anvil is gonna be a job. I can already tell. Getting there, getting there. But this isn't so much about the knife I'm making as the tools I'm using. Really wish I'd forged some tongs, but I don't like making tongs either, so there you have it. I might have to cheat and throw this on the other anvil just to flatten it out, because it is not wanting to flatten out with me doing this. It's not horrible bad. It's not too bad. Maybe I won't have to cheat. Maybe I will cheat. I'm going to clean up the tang a little bit, and I'm going to call this a done project. The bevels aren't quite hammered in as much as I like, and I'll probably end up going back to the real anvil to make sure the blade's good and straight, because that's going to take practice right there. Because when you're working on something that's 1.25 inches, it's a different ball game. That is for sure. That was way better than I thought it'd be. there it is. A small knife made completely with a hammer and a small anvil that I made. It's still kind of whoop-de-dooey, but this video's getting kind of long, and this is just a test. So, all in all, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to call that good for tonight. You all have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, weekend, morning, whatever it is, and we'll see you next time.